What's up, guys? Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like it, share, thank you.
For this video, guys, I repeat this clock, wall clock about. Oh, I repeat our subject about clock is
Mama,
because.
kanisa.
Sige.
3
So now,
o'clock and
I ask in the what time?
31 minutes.
Very good. You see? So what time is it now? So what time? What time?
3 o'clock,
Siguro
2 o'clock,
Ay, pagbuduha, taro nga.
2 o'clock,
And? Oh, pinito sa sigaw niya na ko. Ngit pa. And? What? You say? 2 o'clock and what? How many minutes do you have in 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock,
Sige. Ano anaon to gid na ay pag-practice na layo ang imuhang kuanan kay ngano sa school. Very far this one. Dili nimo. You cannot put like this on your face, on your eyes the clock. So you need to be practice far. Look at the far. What time is it now?